Gadgets are electronically simplified applications that make work easy. They play a significant role in the common man's life, and we have grown so used to it that it becomes very difficult for us to think of daily life chores in the absence of machines. Technology plays an important role in society today. It has positive and negative effects on the world, and it impacts daily lives. In today's video we will talk about some amazing gadgets and inventions in 2020 that are on another level, so without wasting time, let's get started. Morus Zero. Searching for another garments dryer for your home? Rush not. Meet Morus Zero, a crowdfunded ledge tumble dryer which is very compact and cutting edge. In contrast to the conventional, large, and cumbersome garments dryers, this contraption takes a shot at the basis of vacuum innovation, which uses low strain to dry the garments at a lower temperature. This cool dryer is convenient to such an extent that can even fit in your boat or a RV. The Morus Zero garments dryer's quick drying, eco-accommodating, ledge capacity likely won't make doing clothing any more diversion for you, yet it will make the cycle simpler and more effective. Morus says their strong parasite tumble dryer is the world's first furnished with vacuum plus drying out innovation, which means it will drain the wetness out of your garments in only 15 minutes while burning through less energy than a standard dryer. The Morus Zero was planned with little homes and condos, in addition to boats and RVs at the Morus Zero additionally has 3x superior engines driving it. One of these engines is given only to controlling the dryer's drum, pivoting it autonomously, and Morus Zero program alternatives empower the exact control of bearing, speed, and quickening of the tumble. Interpretation: you can dry your garments uniformly, and they'll come out with less wrinkles. Card Sharp. The Card Sharp is just about the most valuable and advantageous thing we've run over recently. The Card Sharp overlays down to the size of a Visa, giving you a powerful, high-caliber, and great device any place you go. A blade is an unquestionable requirement for the readied grown-up, except if you've some way or another developed fingernails that are as sharp as steel. However, not every person needs to convey a different blade or add more mass to their all-around hefty keyring. Indeed, here comes Card Sharp to the salvage. The Card Sharp is a super light and super slight utility blade that fits serenely into your wallet. At 2.2mm thin, the 13-gram Card Sharp changes from a Visa measured sheet into an even blade with a tough handle. The Card Sharp's edge is produced using surgical steel, which is known for its solidarity, capacity to keep up a front line, and consumption obstruction. As of late, an autonomous testing lab, CATRA, granted the Card Sharp very good status for sharpness and life. The Card Sharp is designed to a thickness of just 2.2mm and weighs just 13 grams. Most customary folding knives are significant degrees thicker and heavier. You can keep the Card Sharp in your wallet. Print Brush. The Paint Brush is a wireless full-tone inkjet printer that weighs about equivalent to a normal cell phone, however can print bigger engravings than its own size. Print Brush XDR is a groundbreaking convenient printer you can take in a hurry whenever, anyplace. Basically, interface with Wi-Fi and let your inventiveness stream. It's all quite well and great, printing shading illustrations onto pieces of paper. However, what occurs in the event that you need to print them onto a divider, a bit of wood, a thing of garments, or something else that can't be taken care of through a work area printer? Indeed, that is the place where the print brush comes in. To print the graphics, users simply drag the device across almost any surface, going either left to right or right to left. Utilizing an optical sensor and an inertial measurement unit, the XDR determines the direction and speed of movement, printing the graphics so that they come out the right way around regardless. The gadget is fueled by a 11.1-volt lithium polymer battery, which should purportedly be useful for around 4,000 engravings for every charge. One ink cartridge should keep going for around 5,000 half-inch by 4-inch, 13 by 102mm areas. Keeback Futuristic Bag. Keeback is a modern city backpack that breaks the standard. It's an innovative and multi-practical knapsack to keep you safe and profoundly noticeable under low-light climate. Professed to be the first of its sort, this hard-wearing rucksack would supplement your style. It's sharp and one-of-a-kind, and you can transform it into your own image. Express your character or feeling through an adjustable content in plain view. It tends to be introduced in a scene, picture mode, or diverse liveliness. This is made conceivable with an inbuilt RGB show. It highlights 1044 pixels for movement, text, music spectrometer, and some more. Utilizing mode catches at the lower part of this knapsack, you can pick one of the movements to show on Keeback. These activities are preset utilizing an application. Since Keeback Knapsack offers open source code, it's anything but difficult to actualize your own thoughts. Don't hesitate to make your own pictures. Each Keeback is furnished with the best solid framework. The speakers and motherboard are extraordinarily evolved with the help of experts who have over 20 years of involvement. Keeback Multimedia Backpack features a speaker that would guarantee saturated sound with deep bass using super light. It has battery life up to 8 hours at maximum volume and up to 16 to 24 hours at medium volume. Wear Keeback on the street, especially at night with music spectrometer animation. It would look really cool. You can also charge your mobile devices inside the bag while walking. Bicycle wing light. Most importantly, there are for sure other bar-mounted sign lights in presence. What's distinctive about wing lights is the way that they can be effectively pulled off when not being used, shielding them protected from passing parts criminals when the bicycle is parked. Each one consists of a handlebar plug that replaces one of the bike's existing plugs, along with a corresponding waterproof LED module that fits into the end of it. Powerful magnets in both parts keep the two stuck together, even when riding over rough roads, yet still allow them to be pulled apart by hand when the bike is left unattended. The two LED modules can then be magnetically stuck together end to end to form one unit that can be tossed into a bag or hung off a pack using an included carabiner. To activate either wing light, you simply press the elastic force button on its end. No senseless Bluetooth cell phone applications or anything like that. This makes front and back LEDs in the module begin blazing, which they keep on accomplishing for 45 seconds before naturally stopping. On the off chance that you need them off before that, you simply press the catch once more. Every one is fueled by two CR2032 coin cell batteries that should be useful for up to 2,000 uses prior to expecting to supplant it. Foldable bottle. Do you pass up remaining hydrated basically in light of the fact that you dislike carrying heavy bottles? All things considered, that is going to change with the creative new item, the foldable silicone water bottle accessible in different shading variations. These folding adaptable containers made of food-grade silicone convey 550 milliliters of your favored refreshment, whether warm or cold. In any case, it is recommended not to fill the container with bubbling water to try not to burn and decrease the likelihood of distortion. This eco-accommodating item accompanies a carabiner pin which can be appended to knapsacks or duffel bags. Makes for an insightful birthday present for youngsters or rec center monstrosities. Foldable water bottles have recently grown in popularity. They're generally made with lightweight, flexible materials like silicone that allow you to fold, flatten, or twist them down to become compact enough to fit easily into your bag or even your pocket in some cases, and then expand again when it's time to fill up. Stikbox. On the off chance that you trusted that the selfie stick craze was finished, I'm sorry to break the news to you that it's definitely not. Selfie sticks are staying put, and now you don't need to carry one in your pocket or stuff pack to be one of the cool kids. Dump the independent sticks on the grounds that the Stikbox puts a collapsing selfie stick and a Bluetooth shade control inside your iPhone 7 case. The truth is out, this iPhone 7 case has an inherent aluminum selfie stick that unfurls to a length of 20 inches, so you can snap the ideal image of yourself or a little gathering of companions. The stick collapsed stick can likewise be utilized as a kickstand for your telephone. The body of evidence itself will ensure against regular maltreatment and drops. CouchBunker. Imagine a fire-rated gun safe hidden inside a custom-built couch with bulletproof cushions with carry straps so they can be used on the fly as a shield. CouchBunker is accessible in a wide range of styles, leather and texture covers, making decisions from game room easygoing to parlor formal. The safe is 96 into 39 inch and 14 inch deep. It is lined with a 2-hour firewall. The vault is quick and easy to access. Simply remove the 3 seat cushions and open the 2 multi-lock key locks using just one key for both. For storage perspective, the safe will hold up to 30 rifles and other valuables. The safe and couch unit together weigh about 900 pounds. Handy can opener. When you bring goods from the market, a lot of things come in the can, but we have a problem in opening the cans, and sometimes the cans are not able to open. All you have to do is to put a foot on the head above the can, after which only bread is made and open it easily. So what is your favorite gadget? Comments right below. If you got value from this video, make sure hit the like button and subscribe our channel to get updated.